What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve some examples regarding arithmetic sequence. First example I have is saying determine a formula that defines the arithmetic sequence for 13, 22, 31, and so on. And part B, find the 25th term. So, first of all, I want to find out the D. The difference is for 13 minus 4, which is going to be 9, or 22 minus 13 is going to be 9, or 31 minus 22 is the same thing. So it's going to be Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. This is the general formula for arithmetic sequence as we had it in the previous video. So Tn equals to A, which is the first number, 4, plus n minus 1 times D. D is 9. So it is going to be 4 plus 9n minus 9. So that's going to be negative 5 plus 9n. So that's the general term, or general formula. So that's the first part. The second part, it says find the 25th term. 25th term, it means that I need to find T25. That's going to be negative 5 plus 9 times 25. So negative 5 plus 25 times 9 is going to be 225. It's going to be 220. Let's take a look to the next example. We have the arithmetic sequence. Find the general term for the following arithmetic sequence. The sequence is 18, 11, 4, negative 3, and so on. Part B, find the 20th term. Part C, find the 43rd term. So that's going to be A is 18, D is 11 minus 18, which is negative 7. Same as 4 minus 11, negative 7. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. So it's Tn equals to 18 plus n minus 1 times negative 7, which is going to be 18 minus 7n plus 7. That's going to be 25 minus 7n. So Tn is 25 minus 7n. So part B, find the 20th term. So T20 equals to 25 minus 7 times 20. That's going to be 25 minus 140. So I need to use my calculator. Actually, I don't need it. So 115 is going to be, negative 115 is going to be the answer. So C is going to be 43rd term. So T43, 25 minus 7 times 43. 25 minus 7 times 43, that's 301. 25 minus 301 is going to be negative 276. That's the 43rd term. Let's see another example. The 7th term of an arithmetic sequence is 53 and the 11th term is 101. Determine the 80th term. So we're going to say T7 is A plus 7 minus 1 times D. That's going to be equal to 53. T11 equals to A plus 11 minus 1 times D. That's equals to 101. If you find out the difference, basically if you simplify, 6D equals to 53 and 10D equals to 101. A plus, A plus. So if you subtract them, it's going to be A plus 10D minus A plus 6D equals to 101 minus 53. That's going to be 4D equals to 101 minus 53. That's going to be 48. It means that D is 12. So now we can find out the 80th term. Before that, we need to find A. We know A plus 6D is 53. It means that A equals to 53 minus 60. It means that 53 minus 6 times 12, which is 53 minus 72. 53 minus 72 is negative 19. So T 80th is A plus n minus 1 times D. That's going to be negative 19 plus 79. That's 80 minus 1 times D, which is 12. That's going to be negative 19 plus 79 times 12. That's going to be 929. That's going to be the final answer. So that's how we deal with arithmetic sequence questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.